How to link TikTok account to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can link our TikTok account to Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to link your TikTok account to Facebook, normally if you already signed into your TikTok account here, no matter wherever you go, whether it is settings or whether it is your account settings, you can see that there is no option to link your account. So the linking process that happens needs to happen whenever you're creating your TikTok account. After you create your account, you can't link it. So if I just go ahead and try to switch out of my current account first of all, so let me just try to switch account. Now when I select add account, you can see for a new TikTok account I can directly continue with Facebook, and that way that new account that I create will get linked with my Facebook or my Google account. If you created an independent email with an independent phone number, in that case it will not get links later on. So it must be done while you're creating the account. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.